Hey y'all, I know it's been a while since I last did a trade recap, but I think this is the best time for me to start doing this. I just started a new eval with my funded future, and I'm already half the way to the target profit off one trade alone. And I want to just go over how my week went, especially the fact that it is Thursday now. Well, Thursday as I'm recording this, it's like Wednesday night. And I want to go over the trades I took. I only took one trade so far this week. We might take a trade in the morning today, so we'll see. I will update you guys today too as well. I'm not going to do weekly. I think I'm just going to do daily recaps if I do take a trade that day. So on Tuesday, we did take this trade here, which I will go over pretty soon and talk about how that trade worked out. But besides that, let's hop onto FX replay and actually go through what I seen. So top down analysis, we were at an all-time high as you can see here, but now we're closing in on a downtrend. So I'm gonna follow and continue to follow that downtrend. I did have my sell draw of liquidity on this sell side right here, as that was the recent protected low, and also it was let me check here. I believe it was like Asian low or something like that, or London lows too as well. I should have actually made sure to check. Um, but yeah, so coming into the morning, there was this 1 hour fair value gap that I seen here. So I was hoping for that to tap in and looking for a 5 minute inverse, but as well as that 1 hour, there also was a bearish 15-minute fair value gap, which I would love to with. I love working with smaller aligned time frames because you get more of a precise entry. So yeah, so 7:30 came in, 8 comes in, nothing really happens. I'm just waiting for the 15 minute to be tapped in. It did tap in here and then reject, and also it almost took out that sell side. This is the AM lows for New York, so I'm also looking for that to also be broken there. So pretty much what happened, as you guys can see, you wait for that entry. It tapped perfect into the center encroachment. I think that's what you say. I can't say the CE. It tapped right into the CE, which also created a fair value gap for here. There's this big ass fair value gap, buddy. Big ass, but we went for an inverse. So wait 1 second, there it is. Went for that inverse on this fair value gap, took the short right here, and we aimed for, again, these AM lows or the sell side. So we aim for these lows, and when we took this short, it was actually up here. It wasn't really down here. I actually did enter at like a good position, but we took that short there, had the stop loss, of course, at the protected highs. So this right here, the stop loss was there, and the take profit at the sell side liquidity. So once the market did play out, it did its thing. When it did hit that 101, I did actually move this to break even. So when it was actually like around here, which was really pretty quick, when it went to 101, straight to break even. And then the trade was a risk-free trade, so anything after it pretty much was just profit. It took profit, and that's how I made the the trade there. Pretty much that's how I made that 1.5k. So honestly, I am excited for tomorrow, or to I guess I'm excited for the morning, because there's a lot of promising trades I do see playing out today, only because how news is going down. Okay, so coming into today, there is unemployment claims, which I do see moving the market throughout. This market until yesterday was barely moving. Monday, again, no trade, so we did not take a trade on Monday. Tuesday, there was that opportunity there, but I am seeing a lot more movements that are going to happen, a lot of more clear movements, and a lot more clear pushes into the draw of liquidity that's going to happen for the next couple of days here. So I am excited to trade for tomorrow, and hopefully I do catch another opportunity there. I'm actually only risking $500, so I'm not really looking for another like 1.5. To be honest, I'm looking for another 1,000 profit. Like the 2R trade would be perfect. If I get a 2.5R, even better. I would love that to happen, but it is It is what it is if it doesn't. But regardless, that's really what it's looking like for my trading. But yeah, I'm going to start doing this a lot more often, just day-to-day recaps on how I see my trades, how I took my trades. If I did take a trade that day, I would definitely fill you guys in. Besides that, go ahead, like, subscribe. There's gonna be more videos on the way. I'll see you. Take care.